Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Saraswati English Academy Bhadarjun. This is our question. This is our class 6th and subject maths. Okay, and our exercise number for today's video is 5.2. Okay, and question that I am going to take in this video is question number 3rd. So what is our question number 3rd? Our question number 3rd is, which direction will you face if you start facing? Okay, which direction will you face? Which direction will you face? Which direction will you face? Number 3rd one is, which direction will you face? Which direction will you face if you start facing? Will you face if you start facing? If you start facing. If you start facing. Which direction? देखो भाई 3rd नंबर क्वेश्चन है, which direction will you face if you start facing, है ना. Number A is east and make half of the revolution clockwise. East and make half of a revolution east and make half of a revolution clockwise. East and make half of a revolution clockwise. Number B is question number 3rd and part B is east and make. Part B is east and make 1/2 of a. Third part B is east and make 1/2 of a revolution clockwise. Listen, question number 3rd and part A is east and make half of a revolution clockwise. Number B is east and make 1/2 of a revolution clockwise. Good. Okay, this was the number B, and C is what? C is west and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. West and make 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. West and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. West and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. And D is what? D is south and make 1 full revolution. D is south and make 1 full revolution. 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 Should we specify clockwise or anti-clockwise? for this last question, why not? Okay, listen, actually last one is should be, last one is what? Should we specify question number 4th and D part is what? Should we specify clockwise or anti-clockwise? Should we specify clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Question number 3rd and D was should we specify clockwise anti-clockwise? For this last question, should we specify clockwise anti-clockwise for this last question? Why not? Why not? Okay, which direction will you face if you start facing? Actually, I am going to make for this question I am going to make a clock. Okay, so this is our clock. Okay, and this is the center point of this circular clock. Now what we have to do is, this is 12, this is 6, this is 3 and this is 9, this is 1, this is 2, 4, this is 5, this is 7, this is 8, this is 10, this is 11. Okay, so our first one is east and make half of a revolution clockwise. Actually, this is our clock and this is the sign convention of directions for all the four directions, or for all the, actually 10 directions are there, but 3 main direction are there. हिंदी में दिशाएं बोलते हैं, है ना। तो भी 4 जो डायरेक्शन होती हैं इनके लिए साइन कन्वेंशन जैसे हम बोर्ड पे कैसे बनाएं, उसके लिए फर्स्ट वन इज दिस इज नॉर्थ. ओके, नॉर्दर्न हिमालय. It is very famous that northern Himalaya, Jammu Kashmir is in the north of our India. Okay, so this is north, this is south on downward. Kanyakumari is in south, or Kerala is in south of India. Sri Lanka is situated in the south of India. Okay, good. So this is north, this is south. Now this is east, and this is west, and this is east. This is west and this is east. Okay, now from what we will start is Listen, actually what I have to do is, question number 3rd and part A is east and make half of a revolution. East and make half of a revolution. Direction is east and we are making or we makes half of our revolution. Okay, what is there? East and make half of a revolution. We are facing towards east and making half of a revolution clockwise. Clockwise means in this direction. If we will take anti-clockwise, then also we will come in our west. Okay, so not a major difference is not a single difference is going to take whether we are taking we are taking our half revolution towards clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, so we are facing towards east means in this direction, and when we will move clockwise means in the sense half of a revolution, then we will get this direction. Okay, and this direction is merrily, as we know very well, or this direction is which? This direction is west. Okay, now we are facing towards what? West. This is east and this is west, which we have got after revolution half. Okay, clockwise. So our answer for our part A is west. Now we will go for our part B. What is our part B? East and makes 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. East and make 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. East and make 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. Okay, so we are facing towards east, again towards east, and we are making 1.5 revolution, one full revolution and other one is only half. Okay, so we are facing towards east, we are facing towards which? East, in this direction, and we are revoluting, we are facing in this direction and we are revolving. Actually we are facing in this direction, okay, in this direction we are facing in this direction, east, and make 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. East and make 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. We are facing towards east and making, we are facing towards east and make 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. We are facing towards east, okay, in this direction, and when we will take one full revolution, then we will come over here again. Okay, and after that half revolution, actually we are facing towards this direction, east. This is east. Okay, oh no, this is east and our answer is west. Yes, this is our east, in this direction we are facing, this is east. Okay, east, West Bengal is over here in this part. Okay, in this part, one map of India is over here. Okay, and we are seeing our West Bengal is in the, okay, I hope now it is visible to you, in this part of, in the right hand side or left hand side if we are facing towards the camera. Okay, so what we have to do is east and make 1.5 revolution clockwise. So we are facing towards east and making 1.5. So one full revolution we will come over here again, and after that after half revolution, which side we will face is actually we are facing east, and when we will take half revolution, then we will face towards west. So our answer is again west. So our answer is again what? Answer is west. Okay, this one. Part C is what? West and make. Part C is what? West. Okay, WST, west, and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. We have to take 3/4 of a revolution in anti-clockwise sense. Okay, in anti-clockwise sense, we will make 3/4 of a revolution in anti-clockwise sense. In what? In anti-clockwise sense. In anti-clockwise sense. Okay. So now what we will do is, listen. Actually, I am going to rub for creating some space. After that, it will be easy to understand for you. Okay, listen. Actually, first you have to look at our part, at our currently going part, which is part C. Okay. Okay, so our part C is what? I hope you have properly, because I have rubbed some space. So I was seeing that some essential information is not rubbed or not. So all the essential information is there on the board. Now we will start. West and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. West and make 3/4. Okay, this is our clock. Okay, these 4 directions are there. I am drawing on the clock only now. Okay, this is north, this is south, this is our west, and this is east. Good. This is our west and that is east. So now what we will do is, listen. According to our part 3rd, west, we are facing towards west. In this direction we are facing. In this direction we are facing. Okay. In this direction we are facing. So our face is towards west. West and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. West and make 3/4 of a revolution. West and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. Okay. This direction is clockwise and we are taking 3/4 anti-clockwise. So if we are facing this side, then this is quarter, this is 2/4, this is 3/4. So we will face towards south. Okay, we will face towards south. So our answer for C is south, and it is clearly visible in this figure also. Good. Okay, now what we will do is, listen. South and make 1 full revolution. We are facing towards south. Okay, in this part D, what we are doing, we are facing towards south. This is our, okay, we are facing towards south and we are taking 1 full revolution. Then we will come to our face will come towards south only. Okay, our face will come towards south only, in this direction only. Okay, our face will come towards in this direction only. Okay, so south and make 1 full revolution. So we will again come in south. So our answer is what? South. Write down west and makes 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. We are seeing towards west, means we are seeing towards this direction, and we will take anti-clockwise 3/4. Yes, actually we are seeing towards west and we will take 3/4 of revolution anti-clockwise, means in this direction. I have considered clockwise. Anti-clockwise means this is 1/4, this is again 1/4, and this is again 1/4. 3/4 we will take, then we will get north. Okay, so our answer of part third will be north, not south. Okay, I hope now it is clearly visible, because we are taking anti-clockwise, not clockwise. If we were take clockwise, then we will face towards south, not towards north, but we are taking anti-clockwise. It is written very, very clearly. So we will face towards north only. Okay. Okay, now our next question is question number 4th. (5.2) and our question number 4th. (5.2) and our question number 4th is what? What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? Okay, what part of a revolution? 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 What part of a revolution have you turned? What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? Have you turned through if you stand facing? If you stand facing. If you stand facing. If you stand facing. Okay, question number 4th and part A is what? Question number 4th and part A is, question number 4th and part A is east and turn clockwise to face north. East and turn clockwise to face north, and turn clockwise. East and turn clockwise to face north. Clockwise to face north. East and turn clockwise to face north. Okay. So what we have to do in this part? What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing east and turn clockwise? Turn clockwise to face north. Okay. This is our clock. Okay. And these are direction conventions. This is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. Okay. So east and turn clockwise to face north. We have to face towards east. This is our east. East and turn clockwise to face north. This is our east and we have turned clockwise to face north. This is our east and we have turned clockwise. Okay. We are turned what? We are turned clockwise. Clockwise means in this direction, and to face north. East is this direction. We are turned clockwise means in the direction, in which direction the clock moves. Okay, clockwise to turn north. So this is the phase we have to move, and this phase is equals to 1/4. Okay, so what we have to, we are moved 1/4 of a revolution. We are moved one fourth of a revolution. We are moved one fourth of a revolution. Okay, number B is what? Part B is fourth A and fourth part B. Part B is what? Question number 4th and part B is south and turn clockwise to face east. South and turn clockwise to face east. South and turn clockwise. South and turn clockwise. South and turn clockwise to face east. Turn clockwise to face east. Clockwise to face east. Direction is south and turn clockwise to face east. We are standing in this direction, which is south, okay, and turned clockwise in the direction of clock to face east. This is our east. Again we have moved only by 1/4, okay. So 1/4 of our revolution is our answer. 1/4 of our revolution. One-fourth of a revolution. Now our next part will be your homework, okay, which is our part C. And part C is what? Question number 4th, and part C is what? West and turn clockwise to face east. West and turn clockwise to face east. Number C is 4th C is west and turn clockwise to face east. Okay, bye bye.